In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up OneDrive on your PC, 5 minutes. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can get up and running quickly. OneDrive lets you back up and sync your files to the cloud so they're available across your devices and protected if something happens to your PC. If OneDrive isn't already installed on your computer, start by opening your web browser and heading to the official Microsoft OneDrive download page. From there, choose the version that matches your operating system. Most modern PCs will use the standard Windows installer, but make sure you pick the option that fits your setup. Download the installer, then run the file once it finishes. Follow the on-screen prompts. You may be asked for administrator permission. The setup is straightforward, and in a minute or two, OneDrive will be added to your system. After installation completes, continue with the sign-in steps to begin using the service. OneDrive will open a sign-in window. Enter your Microsoft account email address and click Sign In. This is the same account you might already use for Windows Office or Xbox. If you don't have one, you can create it from the same prompt, but if you already have an account, just continue. Next, enter your password and follow the on-screen guidance to tailor your sync. You'll be asked which folders you want to keep in sync and where your OneDrive folder should live on your PC. If you're tight on local storage, choose only the folders you access frequently and enable selective sync to save space. You can always change these choices later in OneDrive settings. Picking a familiar location like the default OneDrive folder under your user profile makes it easy to find your files in File Explorer. Finish the setup to start syncing to the cloud. You'll see a cloud icon appear in your taskbar. That's the OneDrive app working in the background. Files with a green check are synced, and a spinning icon means OneDrive is actively uploading or downloading. If you're on a metered or slow connection, give it some time. Large libraries can take a while. You can pause syncing temporarily from the cloud icon menu if needed and resume when you're ready. That's it. With OneDrive installed, signed in, and your folders selected, your files will automatically stay backed up and available across devices. If you ever want to adjust what syncs, open OneDrive settings from the taskbar icon and update your choices. You're all set.